Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can change the background in Zoom application on mobile phone. First, you just need to open your Zoom applications by tap into the app library Zoom and then just tap it to open it. Now whenever it's perfectly loaded, and then you just need to take a look on this button feature. There could be like 5 sections, and then you just need to tap into these 3 small dots with more informations. And now you just need to like scroll all the way down until you got this settings box, and then just tap into this meetings. The next, you just need to take a look on this video section, and there could be a background and effects right here, so you just need to tap on it. So you will be bring into the camera simulation. Now if you want to add or change the background, just swipe this up, and then you just need to go get the background that you want to have. So there could be like several custom or default background that provided by the Zoom application, but then if you already have the background that you want to add, just go click this plus button, and that could be bring you into the photo library, and then you just need to tap into the picture that you want to use as the background, and then just tap down. And now this is the results. So the background could be like this, and you were done. That's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed us, and let's meet again into other tutorial.